Okay, we're on section 4 on 5999 DeZavala. A lot of the same things that we've talked about on section 2 and 3 exists on section 4, so I don't want to go back over those. But let's take a look at a couple items here that are real indications of roof failure. As we look here, we talk about delamination. This roof system, if you can see, I can push it down. There's a huge bubble in the roof system here, and that means it's lost bond with the substrate and the pressure's pushing it up. One of the other different things that we have here on this roof is we have a back edge that falls into a gutter, unlike the other roofs. And this is typical all the way down this back edge on the building here. But you can see there's been a lot of failure here, a lot of patchwork trying to stop the damage to the rooftop. We have sitting moisture on here, and that's from the condensate line. So it's constantly dripping out onto the roof, and again, it's just eating the roof up like we saw before. Also, another thing that might be happening is, your conduits that are running along the roof are exposed and open to moisture, and they can run down conduit lines, possibly affect the lines that are inside the conduit. Here's a good indication of these types of things, and that gets to be typical on old roofs. Also, what we run into a lot is when flashings are moved around on a pipe, and then you have exposure. We can see here there's exposure for water. There's complete exposure in here for water just to drip down that pipe inside the building, and that happens quite a bit, and there's quite a bit of that on this rooftop as well. So there's a few items that are a little different on this rooftop, but let's take a look at the next one and finish up.